Hey y'all, quick tutorial on how to turn any image into a canva frame, a custom canva frame. So first you find your image however you want to find it on Google or wherever you want to find an image. Then you save that image to your computer. Then you want to upload that image into Silhouette Design Studio. You want to use this trace feature to trace the image. You may have to use the threshold to get all of the image. Once you've done that, color the image into, say, blue, like I did. Then save that image as a SVG. Then you want to import that image into PowerPoint. Once you've imported, then you want to change that into an image by clicking the image to shape. Once you've done that, then you want to take and click the fill image option, and you want to use the stock images to fill that image with image of your choice from the stock images. Once you filled your image, now save that as a PDF. Now import that the PDF into Canva. Note that it's going to go into your projects. Once it's done, click it over to your design, and then you want to hit remove image. Now you have a blank frame, so you can add anything you want to it.